这先车松嘛哈。车松就随便这里插上。我把我们的线
你说暂停，我就暂停。
等一下嘛，玩什么样的或者有的要钱买的，不能玩。先休息一下。你晒熟了。慢慢啊。
This is our screen cable and this connector. Here you just connect with the original connectors. And this connector and this small one connect with this this black original connector, and this leave this alone. We don't use this connector.
刚刚的这3个插头，主电源。
原车的是吧？
我们的。
我们的。
旋钮的。
The small connector for the clock control and the connector like this.
Okay. USB 吧。
Yeah, this is our USB slot, and you just cross the dashboard and put it in the passenger glove box. Yeah, and then you put here.
好，暂停。
Okay, now we connect with the CD host. Okay, and then we remain to the original connector and connect with the CD host at the original. And now we install the GPS, our screen GPS.
暂停。
OK， 我没拍到呢。OK。
暂停。
And then you just fix this mental frame here.
好，行。
And now we connect our screen.
然后倒车视频的
And this one is from original.
还有这个倒车视频的检测线一定要接。
And you can check the camera cable connected like this.
这个。
This one and the camera.
倒车视频输入。好。
If you didn't connect this one, the camera will not works.
还有这个。
This is microphone. Yeah, connect like this.
好。
Okay, then we just connect screen. Yeah, this is a GPS antenna, and this is a power cable, and just connect each one. This is the clock control, and this one is yeah, like this.
暂停。
等我拍拍。
等一下嘛，那一会儿再拍。
Now we fixed all.
不是，下面。
昨天我们研究了1个下午了。
下面。
Like this one, and you put be carefully.
右上角，右上角，这个，这个，
你拍了没有？
Like this, and be carefully.
然后这里右上角这里一抬， 然后轻轻。
Use some force to connect with, to fix with this, yeah.
OK。
And you put here, and then
你
everything
们
get
装的十
connect.
分简单。
OK.
好了，
好，
等一下。
然后再操作一下。
打螺丝。暂停。
Okay. And this is one from the original frame. You just put in our frame case.
我操！等一下，这里翘起来了。
And then you just put the frame case inside and fix it well. And this is our GPS antenna from here. And you just hide the wire from this. And this. And put back here back about this position, and put a GPS antenna about this position. You just put inside and make it much good. 等一下，我这个不好按。OK. Now we just
现在切换到原车。
how to set AUX. First, we enter into original system.
放上碟片。
Okay, and put this
进去。
CD.
我先把原子激活。原子激活。
编制吧。
激活之后。
Okay,
这里
and
LEX
press the AUX.
点屏幕上会有切换。
Okay, you can check the
切换到 LEX，
like this.
然后再返回我们系统。
Then back to Android system
就搞定了。
and we play music and test. Yeah. See, like this. Okay, we finish sure.